So you're rolling in your Jeep Wrangler JL and wondering why that stock exhaust still sounds like it's apologizing for being loud. Let's fix that. Whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising downtown, the right exhaust will give your ride a proper growl, boost performance, and make heads turn. We're breaking down the best exhaust systems for the JL that'll add some punch without waking the neighbors, unless you want to. All the links to these exhausts are in the video description, so check them out when you're ready to upgrade. Let's kick things off with the MBRP Armor Light Catback system. Built for value and made from aluminized steel, it's a solid pick for dry climates. Delivers that street-ready tone that's aggressive without being obnoxious. Go ahead, let's hear that growl.
Alright, we're ready to pull out on the highway. Let's see what the MBRP off-road sounds like on the 2-liter turbo. Just gonna pull out mellow, let it do its thing, shift through the gears. I can tell you right now, I can hear the exhaust. It's definitely more than stock again. I'm gonna say in the two-door Jeeps, I've always found that they're more aggressive or louder internal exhaust note inside the cab than the 4 doors. I would say with the 2-liter though, that's not the case. It's still pretty mellow in here, even though we are sitting closer to the tailpipe compared to say a 4-door version. So that said, it's mild, it's mellow to aggressive for acceleration. And I put my foot into it and I can definitely hear it. I'm gonna turn heads and the whole 9 yards. And yet, here we are in top gear, and I think you can probably hear the wind noise over top of the exhaust note. So pretty cool to have a conversation, have a family, you know, you're moving kids around, whatever it might be. You can have a performance exhaust system without having that super aggressive performance exhaust note inside the cab at cruising speed. Now, talking about sound and mellow and aggressive, let's spin around here. We'll put our foot into it. This little Jeep just screams. It sounds so cool when we get our foot into it. There we go, I'll shut it down there. Not only does it pull super hard, but man, it sounds really, really good for, you know, it's a little inline 4 with a turbo. And the MBRP 5531 just sounds so cool. Direct bolt on, lots of ground clearance, ease of installation.
Coming in next, the AFI Power MACH Force XP 3-inch axle back brings smooth performance with its mandrel bent stainless tubing and high-tuck design. Perfect for trail crawling without sacrificing clearance. Let's give it a listen. Now the MagnaFlow Overland Series Catback is made for folks who camp, climb, and haul gear every weekend. The high clearance, no-tip design boosts your departure angle and ground clearance. Plus, it's tuned to keep the cabin quiet while still giving your V6 that deep tone. Let's hear this beast. If style matters as much as sound, the AFA Power Rebel series should be on your radar. It's got dual 4.5-inch black tips with attitude, stainless steel construction, and a powerful tuned tone that's just right for off-road and on-road life. Give it a listen. Next up, the AFE Power MACH Force XP 2.5-inch system is all about high clearance and maximum bark. It's got that aggressive edge, MIG welded strength, and stainless steel flow. Let's check out the sound sample. The MagnaFlow Street Series gives you that iconic, throaty MagnaFlow sound and CNC precision stainless steel for perfect fitment. Great for street use with dyno-tested power gains and clean, sharp tone. Let's see what it sounds like. And at the top, we've got the legendary BORLA ATOC catback. Built with T304 stainless steel and coated in a high-temp satin black. This baby's got patented tech for max power and aggressive tone without the annoying drone. BORLA backs it with a 1,000,000-mile warranty, because this thing's built to outlive your Wrangler. Let's check the sound. So there you have it. 7 killer exhaust systems for your Jeep Wrangler JL, each bringing its own flavor of performance, sound, and style. Whether you're looking for trail clearance, deep growl, or daily drive comfort, there's something here for every kind of Jeep life. Hit the links in the video description if something caught your eye, and if you dig this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. More gear talk, reviews, and road-ready upgrades are coming your way.